Hi, my name's Jessie Rose. Are you looking to create a bespoke cat tower for your furry feline? I'm going to show you how to make a 3-tier cat tower yourself, which you can decorate to suit your home aesthetic. So let's get into it. Before you begin, you'll need to decide on the design of your cat tower. We're going to create a 3-tiered cat tower with 2 hideaway boxes and a few platforms for our cat to lounge on. If you don't have the space, you can alter your tower by removing a box or a platform. Using a piece of 16mm MDF, measure and cut 4 square pieces measuring 350 by 350mm, 4 pieces at 350 by 318mm, and 4 square pieces at 318 by 318mm to form the 2 boxes. Using a straight edge and pencil, mark out your cut lines and then cut using a circular saw. You will also need to cut a piece for the top platform at 600 by 250mm. Now it's time to start assembling your hideaway boxes. We'll start by attaching the bottom and 2 sides together to form a U. Pre-drill and screw together. Attach the top, then the back and front panels to form a box, following the previous steps, and repeat the process for the second box. Drill 4 3mm holes in each corner on the bases of both boxes. Then do the same on the top of the bottom box. Next, we're going to cut out the holes in the hideaway box. On the front and side of the top box, measure 50mm up from the bottom of the box and make a mark. Then place a bowl or paint tin on your mark and make sure it's in the centre of your box. Then trace around it. Then, take your drill and drill a 10mm hole so you can use a jigsaw to cut out the box holes for your cat. Then you'll need to sand the edges for a smooth finish. Start with an 80 grit and work your way up to a 180 grit for a smoother finish. And then for your platforms, take a piece of 18mm project panel timber and cut 2 pieces to 600 by 400mm. These will form the base of the structure and a separate platform for your cat to chill out on. Then give your board edges a sand using 180 grit to round off the sharp edges. To create the poles, we're using 42mm dowel. We'll need to cut 1 length at 350mm, 2 lengths at 250mm, and 2 at 600mm. Cut these using a drop saw. These supports will hold everything in place once constructed. Before you assemble your tower, if you'd like to decorate with paint, it's time to do that now. Paint your MDF boxes and add a clear varnish to your timber project panel and leave it to dry. Make sure you leave the dowel as we're going to add scratch rope to this. Now let's start putting this tower together. We'll start with the base layer. Place your first box on your base timber panel and screw into place. Then screw your 350mm dowel onto the base. Then for the second layer, grab your second timber project panel and add your longest dowel supports. Then, attach that layer to the bottom box. Using your pre-drilled holes, screw the second layer into the bottom cat box and dowel. Then attach your final pieces of dowel to your second box. And screw that box to the middle of the second layer. Finally, attach your top platform to the dowel by screwing into place. To make your tower super fun for your cat, we're going to add rope around the poles to serve as scratching posts. Wrap the rope around and glue the top and bottom ends to secure into place. To finish off your cat tower, staple a blanket to the top platform for extra comfort for your cat. Find a spot in your home where your cat can enjoy their new tower. And don't forget to add a comfy cushion or blanket inside. And there you have it, your very own DIY cat tower, made with love and a little bit of elbow grease. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.